In this example, you are given two simple logs and they're asking you to find the value of it or evaluate the value of it. Now, one of the very important thing you need to know in this section is when you see an log with a no base here, it's always understood the base is 10. And if the base is 10, then we call this as a common log. And if it's a common log, then I can use this log in my calculator. Okay. Now, if my base is ln, then the meaning of this is it's log to the base e. And in that case, this is called a natural log. And I have to use the ln in the calculator. So for the first problem, like example 2, since it says log 30, you can just hit log and put 30 there and find the value of it. So this is approximately 1.477. Okay. Now for the second one, it's ln 30, and this would be 3.4012. Okay. Now it didn't ask me to round it to specific decimal places, so I can round it to 2 or 3 decimal places. The other thing you have to remember is when I see a log, I'm kind of seeing an exponent. So any logarithmic function can be converted into an exponential function. Like for example, let me use the first one. Like for example, when I have a log to 30, and since it's a common log, I know the base is 10. So if I call this as x, let us assume that I'm using a name for it. I'm calling it x, okay? So this could be written as 10 to the power of x equals 30. So this is the corresponding exponential function for this log. Now for the other one, like say if I say ln 30 is equal to x, now here ln means it's log to the base e, right? So e to the power of x is equal to 30. That's what the corresponding exponential function is for that log. Okay. Now sometimes after we, if you're asked to evaluate or solve a logarithmic function, after you write this, you will be able to use the properties of exponents to solve it. But in this case, it's not going to be helpful. So I have to use my calculator because I cannot use my properties of exponents. So that's why I used my calculator. I'm getting this values for this. Okay. Hope it's clear.